Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the basic weekly to-do list in Notion. So to start off, if you don't know where to find this free template, you can go to the template section here and you can search for the weekly template right here and you can add it to your workspace. But going back to it, it's a pretty simple, just adding tasks related to the day of the week. So we have tasks like call mom, book an appointment, so on and so on. If you want to add a task in the blank to do, all you have to do is click on it and start typing. You can add as many as you want. If you'll see on Monday, and there's a scroll bar here where you can scroll. As it gets longer, you'll be able to scroll through it. And when you're done with each task, you can just tick the box and it gets strike through. And when you've reached the end of the week, meaning Sunday, and you want to create the next week's template, you don't have to do anything funny of copying and pasting or going back and unticking and then deleting all the tasks to reset the week. All you have to do is go to the top of the page under the explanation and click on this button to create a new week for you. So it'll automatically push the previous week down, add a new week, and you can put the date or you can put the reference for that week however you'd like, and you can carry on as normal. And as you keep doing it, your list will grow longer and longer. You can see that by the navigation on the right hand side here. You'll see how long it's getting and you can navigate to a previous week. Let's say last week's Saturday, which is highlighted here. What did you do and so forth. That's how you can, in a sense, backtrack and see what have I done, what have I not done. If you need to bring things from the previous week into the next week, having the backtracking or retrospective view of it can help you. You could just copy and paste the task or just retype it and so on and so forth. That's a very easy way to use the weekly to-do list.